In this video, I am going to show you how to create shining light effect in Premiere. Drag the image into timeline and resize it according to your choice. Then go to the effect panel and search lighting effect. Drag this lighting effect into the photo. Select the image and go to effect control panel and increase the ambience light into 100. Create a circle mask in lighting effect. I am creating is perfectly behind the YouTube logo. Okay, that's it. Now open the toggle animation in mask path and move the timeline where you want this shining effect. Okay, then drag this mask left to right, and that's enough. You can also change the shining color from here. If you want this same shining effect to other image, then drag this image and resize it. Then go to the effect control panel and copy this lighting effect and paste into the new image panel, and that's it. It will apply to this image. You can use this also in any text. Okay, that's all for today. If you learned something from this video, then click like button and subscribe this channel.